How to turn on or turn off Siri automatically send messages without confirming on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Apple Intelligence in Siri. Next, we scroll down and here tap on messaging with Siri, and then tap on automatically send messages. Tap on the toggle button to enable or disable this feature. When you turn it on, another section will appear here. It says also when connected to headphones and CarPlay. So Siri will automatically send messages unless you ask to change or cancel. And that's it. So here you can turn it on or switch it off. And finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.